Others internet.
या अटक गया ना अदर. मुझे लगा मेरा इंटरनेट कर रहा. Yuck. Other is looking like an Eve teaser outside a girls' college.
And now he's just making the face.
But other is that. Chalo.
So
That was funny.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Chat. So, a show where we take randomly shocking facts, facts, trivia, and versus stories and we talk about it. And today's episode is on climate change. But before that, today's episode is about my awesome voice, which is sounding so good that I can't believe it's sounding this good. Is it or is it not? Are you not entertained?
So, for those
Watchers
of you,
of this podcast.
yeah,
You know what
it
would be
should be
great
funny.
is when Varun's internet drops.
बहुत अच्छा आएगा.
तो sound
But
quality
आवाज-
गांड में डालेगा.
But आवाज कितना अच्छा आ रहा है.
48,000 hertz में, but
Oh God.
Dude, so
Okay.
by the way, before this podcast started, Varun has spent 2 hours telling us about his new microphone. 2 hours.
Yeah.
It's a record.
Check it. Check
And
it.
the
Take a
sound
pants
quality
off.
was so good that we heard it also.
Touch yourself. Okay, let's get back to the actual topic at hand. And the first world problem of the earth is humans.
the only world
So
problem.
if you've seen, I pulled up some facts, guys. I pulled up some facts. I think we should jump straight
Considering
into it.
that is what the episode is about.
Yeah. So climate change, everybody is well aware of it. It's only been harped on by millions of people all over the world. And still public sun raha nahi hai. But we have evidence. First up was our summers and winters keep getting warmer every year.
Yeah,
उन्होंने
dude,
Richard
it's
Attenborough
so
का
warm.
documentary देखा
मैंने
क्या
ये
recent?
माइक्रोवेव में नहीं बनाया पॉपकॉर्न. मैंने खिड़की के बाहर पॉपकॉर्न का पैकेट छोड़ दिया और ये अपने आप बन गया है.
Adar has just talked about how he has used a microwave in a climate change podcast. I just want to say
Good.
this.
Good.
Hey, but by the way, one thing. Okay, so it is October, right? And we've had thunderstorms and showers and shit like that.
Yeah.
Like every season, at least for the last 3 years, has been moved forward by 1 month. Dude. It's so strange that
Yeah.
it's happening right
mean,
now.
The only
But I think
good
that's been a
slash
Bombay
bad
problem
thing is-
anyway.
Yeah. Bombay also suddenly has had, like for the last 3 or 4 years, has had winters.
Yeah.
Like we've genuinely have had
For
winters.
4 hours. For 4
It
hours.
doesn't matter. Have you
ठीक है,
ever?
जनता उसमें
Dude,
भी हुडी पहन के आ
dude,
जाती है.
there
अरे
was
यार
one-
कभी तो यूज करूँ ना तो बिस्तर में रह के सड़ रहे मेरे जैकेट.
There was
But
one
that's not
year
good.
I remember in the last 4 or 5 years where for one day, just on one day in some December or January or something, Bombay was colder than Delhi for one day in the winter. So
Last
it had
year,
dropped to
last year.
like 2 or 4 or something.
No,
like
it was
that.
12. It was 12.
No,
बाबा
it was
2 और 4
immortalized.
पागल है क्या?
dude, I'm telling
तू
you,
फ्रिज में
Bombay
बैठा
didn't
था
know
क्या
what
वो
to
रात
do.
को?
Nobody could handle it. I'm telling you, it was about 4 years ago.
अरे अतुल खत्री का सेट है इस पे. Bombay became so
Yeah.
cold that.
Bombay.
अरे it's really
हाँ,
great.
but that was also like 5-6 years ago.
Yeah, 5-6 years ago.
For a
yeah.
little while. But
और
you know, I
सब लोग
just
ऐसा
read a
कंबल
very
ओढ़ के चल
interesting.
रहे हैं रास्ते पे.
वो तो होगा ही. वो तो वॉचमैन तो अभी 27 डिग्री में भी बैठे हैं बॉनफायर लगा. उन लोग का अलग ही चल रहा है कुछ.
एक second.
Bonfire- you know, so-
bonfire is for मच्छर. Just so you know.
नहीं यार. तो तू
Oh,
समझ
oh
नहीं
yeah,
लगा.
bonfire is for machhar, which is why they're sitting and doing this
Yeah.
in front of the fire. क्योंकि मच्छर भाग रहे. So wait, I was telling you about this thing, right? Like every year, it's called an Earth Overshoot Day, which is basically the date in that specific year where apan janta uses all of the Earth's resources that it's not going to be able to replenish that year itself. So last year it was September 29th. This year it was July 20th or something. So the July 20th of this year, we had already used all of the Earth's resources that it will not be able to replenish by December
year,
31st, 2020.
And this
Yeah,
I
but
just
that
want to
is
say,
per year.
July was pretty much halfway into the lockdown for half the world. Which
exactly.
means that we
हम लोग बाहर
weren't
भी
using
नहीं है
that much
तभी.
emissions and things like that.
If
Like
nothing else,
planes are
फिर
shut
भी.
down.
the lockdown actually helped because the airlines and all everything kind of shut down. So
Yeah, but
that
ACs went up and stuff like that. So
You guys
there was a
remember
lot
in
of
the
this.
beginning of the lockdown, there were all those pictures of like nature is coming back. You know, the deer are back on the roads and all. अभी
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं
Yeah.
बताता है ना ये लोग कि nature has
नहीं.
got fucked again.
Yeah, because I remember, like, I hate sparrows. They're really annoying. they had left Bombay because of obvious reasons, but they were back, dude. Sparrows were back, and I was like, oh. And then I realized very soon that I hate
They
them.
had left Bombay.
Yeah, when
It's
was
not
the
like they're
last time you
staying
saw
here
a
on
sparrow?
rent.
Yeah.
वो
No,
नवी
no, when was
नवी
the
कि
last
नहीं
time
यार
you
अभी
saw
वर्क
a
फ्रॉम होम है
क्योंकि
तो
वहाँ पे
मैं जाता हूँ वापस पटना लाइक
Sparrows had left.
नवी नवी
Sparrow
मुंबई
had
में
left.
रेंट लो है स्पैरोज के लिए.
but
No, no,
talking
so-
about stuff that came back, right? You know, I think one at least people in Bombay will appreciate, and that is this the efforts of one man that started 6 years ago, Afroz Shah, the guy who
Yeah.
spearheaded the cleaning
Beach
up
project.
of Seven Bungalows Beach. By the way, I've grown up in Four Bungalows, which is like a 10-minute walk from that place, and I've been to that place before he started his campaign. And it was just him and a bunch of other enthusiastic people who sort of came in every Sunday, picking up stuff with their hand, getting rid of it, with little or no help from actual authorities at the outset. But they didn't stop, and people started seeing small differences, bro. I had gone there once. One
Yeah.
Sunday even I had gone. I'll be honest, I didn't go more than that, but one Sunday even I had gone. And I've seen people voluntarily leave their rest day, their chill day. के लिए तभी तो lockdown नहीं था, तभी तो Sunday was the only day people were getting to chill. They were out there, man, in the mornings,
Yeah.
picking up stuff. और इतने साल के बाद I don't know if you remember, there was this article in the paper that came in that a specific kind of turtle, the olive ridley turtle,
Yeah.
has come back to the shore after 35 years. It was so polluted that they couldn't hatch their eggs there, so they would
Yeah.
bounce somewhere else. But now, because the beach has become so much cleaner, marine diversity is coming back to the shore. So that olive ridley turtle thing that came back actually was a massive win for that specific campaign, and he's been recognized by, I think, the UN ka environment arm. I think he got a shout out from DiCaprio also. So it was really good to see. Now they're doing the same thing at Mahim, I believe, right? Mahim and
Yeah.
Chowpatty and all also.
अपन भी करते हैं ब्रो. मेरे को भी डिकैप्रियो से शाउट आउट चाहिए. कम से कम आरटी तो मिलेगा फिर.
No, so by the way, so
तेरे ulterior motives ना बाबा, इसलिए तेरे को नहीं दे रहा हूँ shout out.
we were once talking about this. I don't know if it was our podcast or just independently, but we were like the same olive ridley turtle, right? Like it came back either to hatch eggs or to get faluda. One of those two.
तो वर्सोवा में और
उधर
क्या
घूम रहा था रे मैं सेवपुरी मिस कर रहा हूँ यार जीबी पे चल वापस जाते उसको 30 साल लगा इधर आने इधर आके देखे बोले अरे पाव भाजी वाला कहाँ है वो हेमा मालिनी ने निकालने बोल दिया इधर से she was the one responsible for the Juhu Beach cleanup, right? Or like at least one of the few people at the helm of it.
Also, by the way, I think Salman is the number one guy we've spoken about, and the second guy is Afroz Shah. I think for 4 years straight we've spoken about him, and I think we should.
Dude, we should have gotten him. मैं every time सोचता हूँ कि उसको बुला because I'm genuinely impressed by that dude.
अरे पर bitch maintain करेगा अगर वो podcast पे.
करेगा.
तू काम कर उधर अकेले हम लोग तेरे बारे में बात करेंगे तू काम कर लेकिन सब साफ सफाई करके मुझे बताना बाद में ठीक है और आया क्या ऑलिव रिडली वापस नहीं तो कर
This is the problem with the world.
No, but seriously, jokes aside, thank you Afroz Shah and his entire team who's been doing it.
As kids we used to be like अगर ये global warming हो रहा है you know बाद में mutation होएगा तो अगर turtles आ भी गए तो we might just have our own teenage mutant ninja turtles and that's not such a bad thing. This was a
other it's a good thing you're vegan.
स्कूल में या तू कौन से स्कूल में क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में बात कर रहा था बे?
उत्पल सांघवी ISO 9001 2000 certified.
but तेरे स्कूल में workshops नहीं होती थी क्या about climate change? Like एक आदमी आता था.
SUPW is what we did. No, we did SUPW, which was socially useful, productive work.
Wow. So we had a.
मेरे इसमें था bro. We had environment studies.
Yeah,
we had
EVS.
environment studies from
EVS.
standard 4.
EVS.
तो उसमें हम लोग की टीचर थी दुगल मैम. उसने हम लोग को एक प्ले कराया था जिसमें हम लोग डांस वांस भी कर रहे थे. उसमें गाना था Let's keep the city clean, let's keep the city green, let's keep the city such a place in which good life is seen. मेरे को इतना याद है. और उस पे हम लोग झाड़ बने थे.
But you know something, this is the fucking
birds
problem,
बने
right?
थे.
There's a lot of words. Like for example, one thing that really pisses me off, and it kind of sums up the whole thing in one sort of anecdote, right? Which is that on billboards, right? Whenever there aren't any ads, they put these climate change messages. Like there is no planet
Green Bombay,
Green Bombay, that kind of thing, right? But the minute you get an ad, you put the ad back on top, right? So basically that's the thing, right? कि तू capitalism और consumption पहले आएगा और फिर जो भी time बचा है उसमें हाँ save the planet.
Yeah.
But
No,
but
the thing
I'm
is, you
saying
know,
capitalism
over
is the
years.
problem.
100%.
Huh?
Capitalism is the
100%.
problem. I mean, everything about it is capitalism. Like,
But
there's so many.
that's a problem for a different episode that we'll try
No.
and
So
solve.
there's so many of
This
these
Talk about
things
solves
where like
capitalism,
capitalism problem.
socialism,
no,
the
but there's
evils of
also social
capitalism.
dilemmas that a lot of people sort of try to address and try to go and it. I mean, when profits can be made, uh, I think a lot of like a lot of pharmaceutical companies, for example, while what they're doing is tremendously helpful, obviously because they're making medicine at affordable rates in most cases, uh, and that's not profiteering. But the waste that comes out of a pharmaceutical factory can be extremely poisonous and extremely harmful. And
Yeah.
there are supposed to be real treatment methods before you actually dispose that off and things like that. But those cost money. And so a lot of places, and this is not an India problem only. This is a global
Oh yeah.
pharmaceutical
Global everywhere,
uh,
dude. Flint,
um,
Flint in Michigan. This guy made a documentary on it also. Same
yeah,
stuff where you
yeah.
have massive corporations just polluting the waters and the rivers, the
And
lakes
they sort
around
of
their factories,
work
and
with the bylaws.
bypass the
Yeah.
yeah. They find the
So
loopholes and then they manage to change
Dude,
all
ये
that. वो तो है.
You
पैंडेमिक
know,
में ये पैंडेमिक में इतना बायो वेस्ट जनरेट हुआ है, right? Just the number of masks that have been used and thrown, the number of gloves that have been used and thrown, like it's
Yeah.
meaning for all the stuff
no,
that
the other day,
stopped.
so today morning itself, I saw a meme which is just a guy standing at a beach with just like a stick with masks hanging, just different kinds of masks hanging there in front of him, and just written underneath was "Our next problem."
correct.
That's what was
Yeah,
there.
dude.
Like
You
we've
know,
gone, like
there
climate
was
change is happening because we've seen we've seen David Attenborough go from excited to now pretty much crying.
अभी दे दिया, अभी गिव अप कर दिया भाई ने.
हाँ,
Yeah,
If you
like,
watch
क्या
the
हो रहा है,
latest
क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
life on
जीने दो
Earth, life on
dolphins.
planet Earth,
Yeah.
yeah.
dude, you know what was the most interesting thing about that documentary? You see him as like a 22-year-old guy in 1944
Like a chomia
and
going
एकदम full ऐसे excited इधर उधर जा रहा है. You know that very famous picture of him with those mountain gorillas in what is that national park in
Borivali.
in the Virunga
I
National
was going
Park
to say Tado
with these
Park.
mountain gorillas. He had a picture with them, really iconic one in the 60s. और
Yeah,
उसके
yeah.
बाद and the youngest one in the family was holding onto his leg. Okay.
Yeah.
And there's only these forest rangers, चार पांच जो उन लोगों को protect करते हैं, who get, by the way, paid the amount of money. Like more often than not, it's amazing to see these people say
Yeah.
no to poachers who are willing to offer them at least 50x the amount of money they are getting to actually protect that park,
Varun,
you know, and protect the animal diversity there.
you remember when we had gone
Now-
to Kenya, the people in Kenya were telling us this, right? There's
Yeah.
there are rangers there to protect the rhino, right? They
Yeah.
get paid some 20,000 or something to protect the rhino. A rhino tusk can get you 2 million,
Yeah.
right? So like it's the maths doesn't add up. So even if you have a lot of on like just people with integrity trying to do this, it's just too.
Yeah.
too
I mean, I don't know if you
convenient.
remember
know,
this, but
I-
it happened recently. I don't know if you know this in the Sudan. The last white male rhino of
Yeah.
the like sort of passed away because of poor health. But everywhere this guy went, he had armed guards around him.
Yeah.
This
Yeah,
rhino
two armed guards
everywhere.
were always around him.
You
sort
mean
of-
why
But the thing is
security?
now they've started doing this thing where the guys who are protecting the animal have started, like elephants and rhinos. They've started elephant का tusk वो लोग काट देते हैं.
And they
They
paint
cut
it
the
pink.
elephant tusk. Yeah, they cut the tusk. They remove the horn,
Yeah.
and in fact they sell it on the black market themselves so that they can have the money to take care of the creatures.
So I heard one thing where the officials in
dude.
some national park, they started dyeing the elephant ka tusk pink, right? And it's a dye that you can't
Yeah.
remove. So it
Yeah.
becomes essentially in like just useless to a
Inusable.
person on the black
Yeah.
market.
Yeah.
That's a great solution.
No. So there's several
But-
of these solutions where they take out the tusk. Some of them sell it on the black market. They've taken out the tusk only so that they don't get poached and so that you can, I think there's lots. Like I think pandas with the tiger conservation that we've done, we've had some success, like a considerable amount of success. We've had with tiger conservation. There's white tigers are, from what I remember last reading about, they were in thing.
नहीं,
But
वो तो Netflix पे आ रहा है, वो प्रियंका चोपड़ा के साथ.
मैं ऑडिशन किया
और
उसके लिए, नहीं मिला.
oh, uh,
मजाक नहीं कर रहा, सच में किया.
बट तू
No,
लगता है
sure.
ड्राइवर बन सकता था तू.
अच्छा, तू
but-
ड्राइवर
But you know,
ड्राइवर
like
का
guys,
audition था?
the what we're talking about is largely done like for poaching reasons and stuff like that, right? But the mountain gorillas bit that I was telling you about, or the orangutans that were there, in लोग का population कम हो रहा है because they're uh, uh, because of deforestation. तो
Yeah,
उन
just
लोग का जो
felling of trees.
prime land जहाँ उन लोग रहते हैं, उनका घर, it's getting deforested on a insane basis. Like even in the Attenborough documentary, I love the way they showed the year. They showed the amount of carbon dioxide at that time in the air, etc., and
And
the
the
natural
vegetation.
resources, like yeah, the wildlife, etc., that was there. Or 44 mein, bro, it was already at 65% or like 70%. So now it's at some 34. I remember. I don't know the last figure. I don't
So
remember
the
it clearly, but
so there was
34%
a
या कुछ बचा है.
so there was a book which quoted a study which talked about the reason why it sort of went out of hand was the industrial revolution, where and this is one theory, it's not fact, and again
Conclusive.
guys, not expert. So the theory was that because of the industrial revolution, we moved at a pace that was faster than the pace that we should have been moving at, because we started inventing things quicker and we started moving things quicker without understanding the ramifications of those things on the not just the environment but even on us. For example, this is slightly off topic, but to give you an example, like vapes, everybody was talking about vapes some time ago, and vapes were considered to be a great solution for tobacco and things like that, but nobody has seen what it does to a generation. Like, you need to wait for a generation to understand the impact of an absolutely new habit on a society, right? So a lot of people are saying that it causes asthma because it has, water
You're
vapor,
pretty much just
water
throwing
vapor
water
in.
into your lungs. Yeah.
So anyway, so similarly, what they said with the industrial revolution is we didn't know how to manage. So uh, it wasn't out of malice or anything like that. It's just that we didn't know what we were getting into. We didn't know what the thing was, which is why it has.
Bro, it was
it has
exciting times, right?
reduced.
It was
Yeah.
exciting times for the human race. You're getting a lot of things that you didn't think of earlier, and then it's bound to happen. But the saddest part is, and that's where all our hypocrisy lies, right? That every year you are getting info about a whole bunch of things. Nothing we're saying today is new information or
Yeah.
that we just found out. We've known it for years. We've known it for years. फिर भी the amount of plastic waste that is in my house right now is quite scary. Or you calling for a huge bunch of just cardboard boxes and plastic covers when you're calling from online retailers. You know what, you're sitting
Yeah.
and shopping at home. That's not reducing. AC 16 pe, 18 pe. Like it's easy to talk about and do these things than actually put it into action. And
Yeah.
I don't know how. Like I try and do it whenever
Where-
possible. Like more often than not, I always fuck up.
We're too stupid and we're too used to convenience. Dude, human beings will always choose the path of least convenience. Between doing something
Of
tougher and
least
doing
resistance, not least convenience.
Sorry,
Of most
least resistance.
convenience.
Yeah.
something most convenient.
Most convenience and least resistance.
Yeah, between doing something the hard way and doing something the easy way, we will always pick the easy way. There's no
But also-
fucking winning with it.
Also, Varun, what you're saying makes total sense, because I think it's a matter of just becoming so. It's become second nature. It's almost like driving or breathing or any of those things where you're not thinking about the environment 24/7. Like, it's not something
Bro,
that
you're
we're
not even
worried
in
about.
the environment. You're not even in
Yeah.
the like,
It's
dude,
not
I had
even-
gone recently to Machan, right? Lonavala. Bro, udhar pura wilderness hai, right? Just fucking trees and shit like that. And I was sitting there and looking out, and I thought to myself, man, that's the moment I realized, yeah, I've fully become a product of a city life with no ties to nature at all. Zero.
Correct.
Yeah.
मेरे को जरा भी नहीं फर्क पड़ता है कि वो क्या है ये सब. Right? Like I was like, if these trees stopped giving oxygen and gave Wi-Fi, I would be happier. Like it reached that point.
100%. I agree. I agree
know,
with what
so-
you're saying.
Well, I know, like Sai Service would be happier if that started happening. Sai Service would become the biggest plantation on.
And
in
you
the
know
city.
this other thing I love doing is back in the day when you could fly, there's I was coming back from a gig in Bangalore, right? And I was looking outside the window and it was so fucking crazy because you're flying over these completely like random Banjar places, right? In the middle of absolutely nowhere. But even then, no matter where you looked from the route between Bangalore and Bombay, there was always one settlement in the middle of
Yeah.
fucking nowhere. Like there are humans everywhere. It's over. There's not one spot, dude. Lonavala ke beach mein sara ekdam like it was green, and then there'd be one TV tower.
Yeah.
Green, and then there would be one light where there is one house where there's not a road, there's nothing. It's just like, what are you doing there? Meaning, तू क्या
Yeah.
कर रहा है उधर?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया और न्यूजीलैंड नहीं है ना. ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, फैरो आइलैंड्स, उन लोग का पॉपुलेशन कम से कम कॉम्पेंसेट करता है बिकॉज
थोड़ा तो
लैंड मास वाइज we don't have it. I mean, New Zealand is 4 people a square kilometer.
yeah, there's more sheep in
Yeah,
New Zealand
and
than
3
people,
sheep.
no? Yeah,
Bro, but talk about land
That's,
masses.
New
You
Zealand,
know
yeah.
कि Indonesia is going to move its capital because some parts of
capital might-
Jakarta are sinking as
Correct.
much as 25 centimeters per year.
Yeah.
I mean, उससे ज़्यादा तेरे पास evidence नहीं है to show water levels rising. Why? Because of polar ice caps melting. Why? Because of excess carbon dioxide leading to your temperatures rising every year. It's a very simple graph जो हम लोग बचपन से सुन रहे हैं, right? But it's to see all of it happen in your lifetime is quite
No, we're
quite scary.
also
Like I
just-
think the first
we're
time my eyes
also-
really opened.
नहीं खत्म कर, sorry.
No, my first time I was telling you about when my eyes really opened to the dangers of climate change and stuff was Al Gore's documentary, ठीक है, Inconvenient Truth.
Inconvenient truth.
उसके पहले तो स्कूल में सब सुन रहे थे ये वो, but in college I remember 2005, I think 2003 or whatever, I don't remember the date exactly. I watched that.
Early
It
2000.
really shook me. They showed it to us in
Yeah.
school also as part of like
EVS.
cinema studies, so how to make a documentary type situation. Bro, it blew my mind to see that wait, इतना सब कर रहे हैं अपन, and this was over 15 years ago. Inconvenient
Yeah, but
Truth 2 आके गया, डिकैप्रियो ने खुद का एक मूवी बना लिया, डेविड एटनबरो ने 10 बनाए.
The
no,
problem
right,
is
and
like,
still
a lot of times, just watch that the new Michael Moore documentary. It really takes Al Gore to town. Like,
मेरे को सिर्फ माइकल मोर का एक ही चीज पसंद है, वो फुल एक्सट्रीमिस्ट आदमी है वो. मतलब ऐसा या
No,
तो
but it's
कॉन्स्पिरेसी थियरिस्ट है या तो एकदम
yeah,
लेफ्टिस्ट
so
है.
at times it goes into conspiracy
Fucking-
theory. It goes into
No.
conspiracy theory, but then he like links that how the clean energy drive has now become pretty much again capitalist, a capitalist movement where you go
Yeah,
like, okay,
but-
clean energy, but it's actually the main. If something happens, the backups are all coal and fuel, coal and oil.
No,
No,
and it's
you're
not
not
just
really-
that. A lot of problem is that you spend more time, you spend more money and more energy in creation and dissipation of alternate fuels and things like that. So there's a lot of these other issues that sort of come. But other कितना pure है ना,
Also-
कोई भी convince कर लेता है उसको.
Also, the thing is, one
Yeah.
other big problem.
I'm not getting convinced by him. I'm just saying that this is a valid argument that you're looking at. You're looking at Tesla. Tesla can't go into clean energy without figuring out a way to take care of the excessive silica generation. That's also when you're talking about pharmaceutical companies.
All its waste is, that's the problem, right? Like, for example, there was a conversation about how nuclear plants will actually be the solution. But the problem is
Yeah.
nuclear fission reactors in settlements are an extremely risky proposition. For
Fukushima,
example,
yeah.
Fukushima, etc. And that's an extremely difficult proposition to do. But if you keep it somewhere else, the amount of loss generated because of dissipation when you're distributing it between from the center to it is going to be a problem. So there's always arguments on both sides of it. Varun, to answer your point, the reason why I feel that all of us never make sense of it is because you're just thinking in your own head कि मैं ही कर रहा है रे, है कोई और जो करने वाला है. So,
that is.
but when 6 billion people think like that, then you suddenly start realizing the impact.
Now
of
there's
it.
two more things. There's two more things. One is that, and this was addressed by this guy Barack Obama when he was talking about the global warming problem, right? He said one of the issues is that it's an abstract problem for most
Correct.
people, right? You can't
Yeah.
actually physically see it, meaning it's visible but it's not apparent. It's not like tornadoes ho raha hai har din. When that happens, obviously we'll all be like, हाँ चल अभी करते हैं. So one is it's happening
Which
too
kind of is
imperceptibly.
happening in America.
No,
Like,
but it's
kinda
happening too
happening.
imperceptibly and too scattered for it to be like a global
Yeah,
pandemic,
it's not a real problem. Yeah.
right? And the second thing is that we have this unbelievable, like we have this myth making mentality, right? कि एक दिन कोई मसीहा आएगा और हमको एक टेक्नोलॉजिकल सॉल्यूशन से सेव कर देगा, right? There'll be like Tesla will save the world, someone will rise up and will figure this out, because obviously humanity is too smart to be eradicated by this
The
kind of thing.
problem is that arrogance
That's
of
not-
we will be able to solve, we will be able to overcome anything because we have
Exactly.
overcome it so far. Whatever disease it has been, whatever situation it has been.
You know what I
to that
feel?
point.
You know what I feel like? It's like the closest analogy I can think of is it's like we're all students who are going like ki, Are raat, instead of studying throughout, let me just wait till the last moment and then cram all of it together on the last night. So we're waiting for the 49th year of the
But the
climate change
problem is
prediction.
that moment
to do
went
shit.
past. We are already past that moment. That's
Exactly.
the problem.
Exactly.
We are in
I'm
the
not
cramming
realizing.
stage and we are still not cramming.
So we were talking about wildlife earlier, right? I forgot to actually mention one fact about how climate change has affected wildlife, and that is average wildlife population across the world have reduced by 60% in just over 40 years. 60%.
That's also there's also another fact, and I don't have numbers unfortunately, but there's also another fact that I was reading about was basically saying that the number of species that go extinct, because the earth loses a considerable amount of species almost every day, where species go extinct, and it could be anything. It could be a microorganism, it could be an insect, it could be whatever. In that aspect, it's a everyday thing. But the percentage has literally gone exponentially up, where we're ending up losing an entire species of things that sort of need to cohabitate for us to be able to survive and create
But you
things.
know
So
why
Yeah,
that
dude,
is, right?
once you have over exploitation of resources, whether it's on land or in water, and to add to that, you have even something as slight as a 2% raise in the Earth's temperature,
yeah.
close to 5%, 5 to 7% of plant and animal species will go extinct. And best example is coral reefs. जितना तेरा हीट बढ़ रहा है उतना तेरा coral reefs are क्या बोलते हैं, because of the carbon dioxide they lose their thing, right? It's called, I forget
Yeah,
the process.
It's called the
They,
white.
they
become
die.
white,
Yeah,
essentially.
they die.
die और फिर नीचे जाके तेरा phytoplankton जो है वो उसको खा रहे हैं, and they are releasing carbon dioxide even in the water. तो तेरा heat is even 2 degrees. And by the way, 2019 was the second hottest year on
Which the
record.
hottest year was? 2016. That was the hottest year on
Ah.
record. And here's
So
another
bad.
fact, which is that the 20 warmest years on record have been in the past 22 years. So, I mean,
Oh,
that's
fuck.
pretty, like, it's good proof.
No, so like I just want to bring up the biodiversity point is because honestly why that is happening is because it's being replaced. Your animals, the regular spaces for the animals are getting replaced because we are we are raising animals for pretty much just, we're raising chickens, we're raising, like most of the animal biodiversity is chickens and beef now.
Yeah.
Chicken,
So in
beef,
terms of
and
manufacturing,
Chickens
and
most
things like-
across the world.
yeah, so
it's also not
essentially-
just that, we're also over farming land.
That's
yeah, but
the other
why
main
is that
thing, bro.
over farming happening, Neville? That over farming is happening. Most of the vegetation is grown to feed the beef and the other animals. You're getting me? So
It's
No,
not
you're,
just that.
Adar, you're talking about farming for food for these animals. If say for example एक जगह से fig बहुत अच्छा आता है, और तू
Varun,
उसको-
you have it wrong here. You have it absolutely wrong here. Most of the feed that is produced by the human civilization is going to these animals for their feed. It is like if you look at the horror numbers, it's insane because we are not even consuming most of the vegetation that we're actually cultivating.
No, so
Joaquin
it's just
Phoenix has
two-pronged
an entire
cultivation.
documentary about it.
There's two-pronged cultivation that's the problem. One is the cultivation for animals, etc. There's also the forced farming that you are doing
But
within the
it
same
really
land, right?
supersedes. It really supersedes the actual consumption that
No, which
is
might
made
be
for
fine.
people.
They are both reasons. You're not wrong. Neither
Yeah.
are we, because they're both happening simultaneously. Yes, feeding your cows and goats and shit like that for human consumption far outweighs growing a specific crop multiple times or growing
Correct.
overforesting trees in that specific area multiple times to a point where it renders the soil useless. Then it's just straight up barren land. फिर तू
Yeah.
जाके और
Yeah.
झाड़ फाड़ रहा है और तोड़ रहा है और उधर और कर रहा है and many a times there is no diversity in terms of the kind of trees you're trying to grow.
Crops.
So
Yeah.
you're trying to grow
If you-
trees which is going to give you a certain type of product which needs to suffice the human race. So you
Yeah.
keep just growing that. So you cut other diverse trees और उसकी जगह पे वही वापस grow कर रहा है.
Yeah, like
I just-
Indonesia actually has a palm oil problem. Like the palm oil, like the
Yeah,
trees that are kept
palm
for
oil,
the palm
correct.
oil.
That's
It
the
looks
one.
like, oh my god, this is all green all over. No, that's not the fucking
Oh,
case.
galat
It's
green.
not.
all being raised for, yeah.
So
Also-
I don't know if you guys watch this documentary series called Connected.
I
Yeah.
loved it, bro. What a show.
Yeah.
Latif,
So in Connected,
Nasir.
if you see the
Latif
Dust
Nasir.
wala episode, in the Dust wala episode, just to give you
Mind blowing.
the concept of it, which really blew my mind, and I didn't know this, which is why it put a lot of things just into like, you know, the butterfly effect, like really made sort of sense in that
Yeah.
sort of way, because the Dust episode was so beautiful, where a small portion of sand from, and what was sand, and that sand was actually bone dust, which gets lifted by the wind and then gets carried across the ocean all the way to the
Yeah.
Amazon, which was actually
Yeah.
not necessarily fertile land. It
Yeah.
got fertile because the dust settled there to make it the Amazon rainforest that it is, right?
That it is. Yeah.
And conceptually वो फट गया है दिमाग, वो just understanding that thing. And there are a lot of people who are trying to do a lot of work, which goes back to what Kautuk is saying, कि कोई मसीहा आके
बचाएगा
Bro,
बटन-
लेकिन तू
एक बटन दबाएगा।
Amazon की देख, bro. Amazon देख. If Jair Bolsonaro does not stop, he is going to finish the Amazon. He's going to finish it, because I saw a Killer Box video also on the same thing, because of the overforestation of Amazon. एक तो it's Earth's lungs, right? Amazon forest is the lungs of the earth. They are creating a lot of the rainfall across the globe that is needed for stuff to continue growing.
Yeah.
Abhi, because Bolsonaro is giving so many of these big companies just free hand कि एक काम कर जा और उधर करना, तू रबर बना रहा है, ठीक है, पूरा ले ले, फाड़ दे, कुछ मत कर. He rejected a bailout plan given to him by Biden
Yeah.
to help in the conservation of the Amazon. Some 2 billion something कुछ एक मिलने वाला था for the Amazon.
And also
Rejected.
this other myth of the fact, so like there's Arctic Reserve, etc., and it's a big long conversation there, where I mean in the US, where you want to talk about like digging for fuel and drilling fuel in a great area of biodiversity. So for example, it's called ANWR, right? The North American Atlantic, something in Alaska, Canada, that area, where you can dig for oil. Similarly, the Amazon has many myths where things are that there are things in it, so you can dig there and you'll possibly get something. So as a result, there's a lot of this also that ends up happening as you sort of go into it.
but
Wow.
one other thing that there was one frightening statistic about Mumbai, okay, which is that by 2050, Mumbai would have like a large part of Mumbai's coast is going to be completely flooded, right? And I opened the newspaper and I saw this, and and my dad is planning to buy another flat near the coast, and I was like, "मत करो, खरीदना है तो MP में खरीदो." क्योंकि in literally 30 years, MP prices are going to skyrocket. Okay, so if you have the money, invest in Highland. Okay, because गांड लगने वाला है, genuinely. Like we're going to have, they're working on the Mumbai jetty right now, and that's going to be your primary like mode of transport in literally 30 years.
But that was supposed to be the plan in the 80s, where you would not have that much traffic in Bombay because we were supposed to have a ring road that went around the sea.
What Kautuk is saying is that's going to become the norm. We'll turn into Venice very soon.
Yeah, like SV road is going to be a canal.
which is
But
already
it
in the
already, but
monsoon.
it
Yeah,
is. It is in
exactly.
But
July.
every
Gainesville Road is a canal.
June, July, it is that. But you know, one of the things that really blew my mind is that 2/3 of extreme weather events in the last 20 years were influenced by humans. So, like, think about this. Other like extreme weather stuff. So they have this thing called extreme weather attribution, where scientists get together and they figure out the cause of yada yada. और उसमें last 20 years में most of it is human caused climate change. So 43% of such events are heat waves, droughts are about 17%, and heavy rainfall or flooding is 16%. And these
Yeah.
are scientists from across the world pooling in their research and data to realize that 68% of it was caused by us.
You know
Yeah.
something,
अपन ही
Varun?
कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, अरे क्या फ्लडिंग हो रहा है ये वो, लेकिन कॉज भी
There's,
अपन ही है.
there's,
Like,
there's.
you know
Sorry,
the
Kautuk,
thing,
go.
the thing I was like, it just struck me when Varun was talking about the scientists coming together and making this up, right? One of the one of the unforeseen things about politics, right? Politics created the thing about fake news, right? If you
Yeah.
can't believe the news, then you can't have a point of view, right? And because of fake news, one of the consequences of it is that now everyone has their own source for climate
Oh,
change, right?
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
for and against. तो हमारे साइंटिस्ट बोल रहे हैं कि आधे चीज मैन मेड, half the natural disasters were man made, and then the other side the scientists are going like, no, that's completely false, and it's the
Yeah.
sun that is causing all of this, right? Whatever the fuck. So this is a real theory that there are some
वो
teachers
सन
out
सन कर
there.
रहा है, अच्छा सन कर रहा है, फिर
अरे
ठीक है.
नहीं नहीं सन वो मतलब वो
So there
टॉटनम
are,
वाला सन.
yeah, there are storms in the sun which are causing increasing global warming. Is
Solar
what,
flares, solar
yeah,
flares.
is what some section of the people believe, because they don't want to
No,
admit
but it
that.
is like I think 2016
No,
mein
so what they're
that
saying,
coupled
is
with
not
climate
wrong.
change really, like that coupled
No.
with climate change is horrible.
Correct,
That's
correct.
why
But
No, so it's
2016 was the highest.
I don't think
but
that's
it's
Varun's point. Varun's
That's not the
point was
point.
the solar
no, it's
flares
all
are not
connected.
in our.
Wherein
Now,
solar flares are happening. That's not
yeah,
a
you can't
fake news.
change
That
that.
they are happening. But
Yeah.
you feeling the effect of said solar flare is increasing because तेरे ओजोन में खड्डा है.
नहीं, हाँ,
Correct.
You know, जो अभी
plus-
जाके थोड़े टाइम पहले रिपेयर हुआ.
plus,
So
plus the point is you're missing the point that you are also responsible for the shit, right?
exactly,
It's like
exactly.
saying that, hey, you know, basically people believe this so that you are absolved of the thing कि यार मैं तो Amazon से मंगा सकता हूँ, मैं तो AC ऑन कर सकता हूँ, मैं तो जो भी करना है कर सकता हूँ, because it's not my fault, it's the sun's fault. Okay,
Correct.
fault is
correct.
in sun. So and which is the thing, right? So now if everyone has their own alternate facts, everyone has their own scientists, everyone has their own Google search. If you saw Social Dilemma, there was one other thing, right? Depending on your previous algorithm, Google
Yeah.
will throw up a suggestion saying climate change is real or climate change is false.
Yeah.
False.
That's fucking crazy,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And if you
But
can't
this was
accept
this-
it, then what the fuck chance do you have of fighting it?
yeah. So this was true for a lot. In fact, just to add to that, the other point, the problem also is exacerbated by the fact that there is so many climate change reasons. There's so many things causing it that the scientific community has to sort of multiply work on it, right? Like for example, coronavirus के मामले में एक प्रॉब्लम है, सब साइंटिस्ट लोग उस पे ही दिमाग लगा रहे, करेक्ट?
नहीं, the thing is scientists का एक भी है ना कि they have no problem admitting that maybe they were wrong. Like global warming
but
turned into climate change, and they were like, guys, we were wrong about
that is not where I was
that's what
going.
they catch on to, na. That's what the whole like fake media news catches
Oh,
on
no,
to.
no,
Na,
I
that,
wasn't
oh,
even
this guy
talking
said
about-
that he is wrong, and that's enough.
I wasn't even talking about fake or not. I'm trying to say that one of the other issues which doesn't create this jadui chhadi which will just switch off climate, like which will fix climate change in one shot, is that there is not one problem. There are so many of them that seem to be causing it, that science as a community can't seem to be focusing on one thing, because if you focus on one thing, दूसरे जगह पे कुछ और गांड लगता है,
You know
focus on
something?
another कुछ और गांड लगता है,
Neville,
right?
I was on a YouTube live and this guy asked this question: do you think millennials nowadays are more depressed than older generations? And when you think about it,
shit.
they are, right? Because I mean, every fucking problem that has ever happened to humanity has happened in this one generation,
Correct.
and at like 10x the intensity, right?
global downturn, economic downturn, global warming, pandemic, tsunami, you name it, we have it.
Snapchat,
Aliens have come
TikTok,
fucking now.
TikTok, PUBG.
सिर्फ वर्ल्ड वॉर नहीं था अपने टाइम पे.
हाँ
Whoa, don't bet on it.
Yeah.
अरे
हाँ,
भाई
don't
प्लीज
bet on that.
ट्रम्प साहब.
But guys, as we all know, the Rothschild believe that war is good for the economy. So
ये देख, so this is the thing ना कि रॉथस्चाइल्ड आके बचाएगा, रॉथस्चाइल्ड बोलेगा चल अभी ऑफ कर दे थोड़ा टाइम.
रॉथस्चाइल्ड आके बचा रहा नहीं.
बचाने नहीं वाला है रॉथस्चाइल्ड कभी भी.
रॉथस्चाइल्ड
बैठा
7
है
बंगला
moon-
बीच पे जाके थैली नहीं
हाँ.
उठाएगा.
correct.
रॉथस्चाइल्ड डार्क साइड ऑफ द मून पे बैठ के अर्थ को चला रहे हैं वो लोग अलग से. दैट इज आल्सो अनदर कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी.
But
दैट्स
you
व्हाई
know
वी आर नॉट
something,
अलाउड टू गो टू द डार्क साइड ऑफ द मून. इसलिए मंगलयान को इन लोगों ने क्रैश किया.
bro, you know something,
Hmm.
like the best fucking comedy
Sorry,
bit I've
Chandrayaan.
heard about the environment is George
Hmm.
Carlin's bit that people are fucked, the planet is fine. Right? The planet is fine,
Yeah.
people are fucked. That's what it is, right? The earth has been here for too long, the earth will be there long after us. और बीच में हम लोग ये हग के चले जाएंगे, बस यही होने वाला है basically.
But
Correct,
that's what
correct.
the theory is also, na? The great, it's called the Great Barrier, or if I'm wrong, please somebody put
Great
that
Barrier
in the
Reef is
comments.
in Australia.
No. It's called the Great. It's called the Great Barrier as far as civilizations. Why we've not found alien life is because all life, all sentient and intelligent
Oh,
life
oh.
reaches this point and they kill themselves, and that is why we've
Oh.
not been able to. So that is that barrier that we have not been able to cross. And the moment you cross that, you like start gaining control of your own star. You can harness the power of your star system and the planets around you, whatever. But up till that point, this is a massive barrier. And if we can't figure this out, we'll probably kill ourselves. And that's what probably happens to most
ब्रो
species.
तू ऐसे पब्लिक के बारे में बात कर रहा है जो खा के या पी के प्लास्टिक फेंक रहे हैं रास्ते पे.
हाँ.
ये पप्पू लोग हार्नेस
ये
द
पप्पू लोग.
पावर ऑफ आवर स्टार तो घंटा कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, कुछ थूक रहा है उधर साइड पे.
हाँ. I
यहाँ
was
पे
watching
थैली है,
Interstellar.
थैली का क्या
Corona-
उधर फेंक दे गटर में.
मैं
वहाँ पे
Interstellar
मजा
देख
आएगा
रहा हूँ.
फिर.
मैं वहाँ पे
फेंक दिया.
इंटरस्टेलर देख रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे मैथ्यू मकॉने बोल रहा है कि we've done this. We are the fifth dimensional species. और वो कंप्यूटर जो होता है उसके साथ वो बोलता है no, humans couldn't have done this.
Bro,
The computer has no faith.
Humans अपना कोरोना का मास्क यहाँ पहन रहे, ठीक है,
Yeah.
यहाँ.
नहीं या तो ऐसा कर रहे हैं, मैंने मास्क पहना है,
हाँ.
मैंने मास्क पहना है, ऐसा है. ये क्या है, ऐसे चल रहे रास्ते पे. क्यों यहाँ से नहीं जाएगा तेरे कोविड अंदर.
It's like these
So
are
the
cases
concept
of
also they don't
नहीं, मैं-
understand. The concept
क्या
also they don't get that it's the point is exactly what Varun is saying. No, that when you
हाँ.
do this, they're like देख इधर से भी जा सकता है तो मास्क में भी खड्डा है तो उसके अंदर से भी जा सकता है. The point is they believe.
नहीं
that
लेकिन
corona
guys
is a
guys
finger.
guys
It's a finger which can go into something.
but guys
Yeah.
please these people are going to harness the power of their star. ठीक है, please तो थोड़ा रुको.
They're only going to
वो
they're
कर
only
रहे
going to
हैं.
harness the power of their astrological star, if at all.
Yeah.
Bro,
Which-
there was this book I was reading called Unpopular Opinions. Okay, it was about this guy it was a compilation which this guy got a bunch of scientists to give their most
Are you talking
unpopular
about-
view. Okay,
Are you
scientific
talking
view.
It would be a scary book to read. Huh.
Yeah, no, it was amazing. It was very fascinating.
Acha.
Because this one scientist went like, okay, global warming is happening, but what is going to happen is that some parts of the world are going to become colder and other parts are going to become warmer. So there's going to be a
Yeah.
migration, right? So if you want to buy land in Siberia, now is a good time because वो बन जाएगा ऐसा एकदम nice spring weather उधर, ठीक है? और इधर सब गाड़ लग जाएगा. So stuff will just become hotter up top. This is
No,
his
but that's
subjective.
true because
Yeah, it's
in
true,
terms
but-
of actually recorded figures, this time in the history of the world is the highest amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere in the
Correct.
history. हाँ. और ये जब last time हुआ था तब तेरे साउथ पोल पे झाड़ था.
झाड़.
Yeah.
तू समझ रहा है इसका implication. तू उधर जा रहा है इधर मस्त
There was one
आइस
tree.
ब्रेकर उधर एक झाड़ खड़ा है ऐसे कि हाय चाचा आप इधर क्या कर रहे हो. नहीं वो थोड़ा भी इधर गीला नहीं है ना, वो सब पिघल गया.
This is the plot. This is the plot of Waiting for Godot. That one tree at the south.
क्या कर रहे हो झाड़ के नीचे बैठे? रुकिए हैं.
Oh fuck.
By the way, so you know this ozone hole की अपन बात कर रहे थे ना, which is 29 million square kilometers in size. ठीक है, ये तू दर्जी के पास जाके सिला भी नहीं सकती भाई, थोड़ा खड्डा हो गया इधर एटमॉस्फेयर में, थोड़ा
रफू करा ले,
रफू करके
रफू।
दे दो.
Hey, you remember back in the
55
day?
29 million square kilometers, and it is expected to fully heal 55 years later.
That-
If we don't fuck it up. मतलब
If
अभी
हम
भी
लोग
we
ऐसे
are going to
अभी-
keep
deodorants,
अभी-
chlorofluorocarbons.
So exactly right. So this ozone layer, one of the contributing factors was that Dio cans, right? The CFC that came out
Yeah.
of Dio cans. So and it was so funny because during the time I was hearing about this, every day there used to be an ad on TV where you would log out that Dio and a girl will come and hug you instantly. ठीक है, तो इधर ऐसा गर्ल इज हगिंग यू, उधर ओजोन का गांड लग रहा है और तुम दोनों का गांड लग रहा है एक साथ.
हाँ, तो ऐसे ये करेगा, लड़की भाग के आएगी, ओजोन में खड्डा, सीधा सोलर फ्लेयर, तुम लोग के ऊपर जल के मर गए.
Yeah.
ये है
It's
एक्चुअल उसका
It's
डायरेक्टर्स
hot.
कट ऑफ
It's
द एड.
really hot.
पहले
I also just
It
want to. I
makes you
also
really
just want to say, we have done a sketch where Varun has spent 7 seconds.
Just put a whole bottle of Dio on his face.
मीनिंग अंधेरी के ऊपर जो ओजोन लेयर है ना, दैट इज
That is that one
लोखंड वाला
sketch.
के ऊपर. I
लेकिन
think
गाइस,
लोखंड वाला के
मैं
ऊपर,
स्ट्रॉ नहीं यूज करता. आई डोंट यूज स्ट्रॉज.
लोखंड वाला
of
के
course.
ऊपर जो ओजोन लेयर है is in real danger right now. Like लोखंड वाला just directly above लोखंड वाला,
That's
that
true.
entire ozone area. I saw
और
I just saw
उधर
a
अभी
great cartoon.
भी पब्लिक लेदर जैकेट में. हाँ, ओजोन.
हाँ, गर्मी हो रहा है ना, ज्यादा गर्मी हो रहा है आजकल.
फोटोशूट, वहां पे
Leather
फोटोशूट
jacket
हो रहा
होता
है,
है.
तो वो बोल रहा है 1 मिनट 1 मिनट,
बोल रहा है, light अच्छा है.
फ्लेयर चाहिए मेरे को पीछे flare. तो वो रुका है फ्लेयर.
But the other thing is, so like every year you hear about the flamingos, okay, in Mumbai. There are fewer and fewer flamingos. This time 2 flamingos are less, 8 flamingos are less, many flamingos are less.
And then
Right,
Dosti
and-
makes more flamingos.
No, and the thing is, they all come, and you know what's weird to me? I mean, apart from all the climate stuff, right? The thing that's the
Yeah.
weirdest is when I think of Sudi, I don't think of flamingos.
Yeah.
That is the last
Yeah.
place.
उधर महेश है. महेश, हाँ, किधर है रे? सिवरी में. तेरे बाजू में कौन है? फ्लेमिंगोस. क्या बात कर रहा है? फ्लेमिंगोस. हाँ ब्रो, पिंक कलर. Flamingos are basically storks who played holy. और फिर उनका कलर निकला नहीं. You know, we keep talking about climate change. One of the main problems is rising water levels, right? और public को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I think rising water levels की क्यों होता है, क्या होता है. Like you've seen entire like faces of snowed in
Icebergs.
mountains breaking. I
Glaciers.
mean, and becoming icebergs. Glaciers fucking breaking. वो कौन सा? I think it was DiCaprio's documentary where they had a crew
Yeah.
on the opposite side of one of the really popular ones on in the Arctic, and they actually heard that rumbling and saw it break, and they caught it
Yeah.
on fucking camera, right?
Yeah,
And to a point where people don't realize that once the heat gets more and the ice starts melting, the entire ice in the Antarctic has as much water as Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, you're basically
Siv-
flooding and the Atlantic, the
Siv
world
one
with
of
another
like,
Atlantic Ocean.
तू अटलांटिक ओशन में अटलांटिक ओशन डाल रहा है तो किधर जाएगा ब्रो? वो भारी आएगा.
Out of sight,
Lower पर
out of sight, out of mind वाला हिसाब है ना. Like I actually like there's a really
आउट
funny
ऑफ
cartoon where I
साइट.
was looking at-
अटलांटिक ओशन आउट ऑफ साइट कैसे होता है?
अरे वो तो बढ़ेगा ना हमारा, तब
नहीं,
जाके आउट तभी साइट में आएगा ना. अभी तक तो आउट ऑफ साइट है ना. It's not my problem.
It's
वाला
what
हिसाब है.
Kautuk was talking about, that it's not an apparent
Yeah,
danger.
it's not my problem,
It's
right?
not clear and
I
present.
just saw, I was looking up the same, like I was looking up some facts about the Arctic and Antarctic. So I stumbled on this cartoon where there is a polar bear and वो ऐसे sad बैठा हुआ है, and there is a panda painting the polar bear black to look like a
Nice.
panda so that like it gets protected. What Varun was talking about, if the ice actually melts, this is another thing which I don't really see like on a very popular level being talked about, is a lot of scientists say that if the ice melts, there is a lot of methane, CO2
That's
which
trapped.
is trapped
Yes.
in the ice,
Yes.
and viruses which are from the prehistoric times.
Jurassic
yeah.
virus.
During the
there are
ice
more
age,
viruses. Yeah.
Yeah. so when the ice formed, it sort of captured a lot of these things inside it. So when it does melt, you're going to start having other issues as well.
Fuck, that'd be so amazing, right? You go to your doctor and he says, "अरे आपको तो cold हो गया." अरे डॉक्टर कौन सा वाला? Common cold या
T-Rex.
T-Rex वाला?
No, but speaking
It'll
speaking
be
of
so sad if 5 years from now this podcast comes to haunt us and Kautuk's words become
T-Rex
prophetic.
wala cult.
there'll be one ad also. T-Rex मिठाई.
T-Rex लगा ले. हाँ, ठीक है. Hey,
T-Rex
group.
T-Rex लगा ले.
Okay, so no, speaking
कैसे
of like
लगाओ?
just what happens to the oceans and things like that,
Yeah.
like even just like marine biodiversity is deteriorating so rapidly, and it's not just the coral reefs and things like that, like overfishing, like
Pollution, just point
sorry,
blank
I'm
the
just
pollution.
I'm gonna give one. When I was in the US story, like when I was in the US, what happened is we went out with
But
some
Baba,
friends.
you were. So
Yeah,
why
yeah.
do you-
No, because of whatever pre-historical context. So
T-Rex wala
we
cult.
went out with some friends, right? And we went fishing, what they call fishing. So it was a fishing,
for
uh,
compliments.
and it
अरे
was a
मेरा सेट
really
कैसे लगा? मेरा सेट कैसे लगा? मेरा सेट अच्छा लगा? Was my set?
This entire story, Baba just air quoted everything.
no,
He
no,
went
just
out
two things:
fishing.
fishing.
Makes me
So-
think he was
when-
actually
I
in
was
Jogeshwari.
in America and fishing.
No.
बोलने नहीं
the
दिया
thing
बाबा
is-
को.
So the thing
बोल
is,
बोल बाबा.
there was a very simple, like, it was just a humanitarian rule. I mean, yes, it was law, but it was just a very simple, like, rule, right? Which was that if you captured a pregnant fish, or if you like
How the
below a
fuck do you
certain
know this?
size, because they go there, they go fishing regularly, right? So,
Oh,
like,
acha.
female during mating season, you cannot get a female. You cannot, like, what's it called? Fish for female. You have to drop it back in the ocean. There's lots of these rules that sort of apply that are real. Whether it's for crabs, whether it's for whatever, and they really follow it as as humane practice. Like, it's not because it's a law and we have to do it. Like, you can't fish certain fish below a certain, like, for example, a snapper or a marlin or whatever it is that you're fishing. It has to be of a certain size for you to be able to take it on shore. And those kind of thing, like overfishing and all of that we end up doing here, without understanding the correlation of what it can do to the to the biodiversity that sort of exists.
The
right?
marine diversity. Same thing, bro. When Japan and large parts in China, when they were hunting whales, right?
Yeah.
One of the biggest problems, they were going ham, right? Killing as many whales as they could to use them for different resources,
Correct.
right? But what they started doing is the correlation was insane. That when you kill a whale, that's lesser whales out there in the ocean, because there's other fish that actually depend on the whale
yeah.
poop,
Yeah.
on whale
Yeah.
poop for nutrients.
Yeah.
Because whale जाएगा इतना बड़ा, it'll fucking shit out a whole bunch of food it's eaten that has nutrients enough for these fish to survive.
For
And now
yeah.
the lesser amount of whales, the lesser of these fish that show up. The lesser of these fish that show up, the birds that are coming down and swooping up and catching the fish, उन लोग के इसके लग गया है. For with one small thing, you can mess up like
Yeah.
eight different things.
the entire
Same thing
system.
like about that massive, that what it's called, that spot in the Atlantic, right? Which is just like
Garbage.
It's a
lakhs of
dead
square
space.
kilometers
Yeah.
of just plastic.
It's
Yeah.
You remember
twice
that?
the
Now they've
size of the
started a
state of
massive drive
Texas.
to clean that. But I remember seeing those videos, dude. It's insane, where they ripped up like whales that came ashore because they couldn't breathe anymore because they had just straight up plastic and
Yeah.
whatever, like non-biodegradable stuff stuck in their gullet. उनका पेट
Hmm.
फाड़ा तो अंदर से सब निकल रहा है, bro. तेरा
Yeah.
packaging, तेरा
Yeah.
bottles,
Yeah.
So how are
old
you?
chargers.
I mean,
like,
even for
it's
like even
crazy.
like, and there is no harm in fishing, and there is no harm in all of that, as long as that it's done with a certain responsibility. Like, the whole, like, fishing during, like, overfishing or overdoing something in any environment
But
is genuinely
when the
wrong.
demand crosses to such a shameless degree, because
There's no stopping them.
how casually we can order a burger, or like just like the knowing the fact that you are having, this was supposed to be something special. If you're having meat or something, it was supposed to be something very special. That whole concept has changed with fast food. So the complete callous nature in which we're treating meat, which was gone. It was like once in a week you would end up having something like which was meat. And I'm like, I'm
What
vegan. I've
other-
actually gone the complete different side of the spectrum, and I've actually seen like what the hell went wrong, that I've had to make this decision over time. Because you actually, when you look at my parents' time and my father and my grandmother, they would have like वो जो बिरयानी बनती थी महीने में एक बार बनती थी. Up till that point of time, our staple diet has been vegetarian. That is the thing, and we've completely turned that over when we are at a shoot. हाँ चलो आज वापस बिरयानी मंगाते हैं. हाँ
अभी
चलो.
तो
It's like literally every
Borivali
day on
biryani
set I see
center
50
तो
biryanis.
fuck Rose.
Yeah.
I have a feeling there must
No,
be
no.
So
And
at
I
least
think
like a
that
million.
there aren't enough laws and stuff in place as well. Forget educate, because there is an entire community also that depends in Bombay specifically. There's an entire community that depends on fishing and you know
The
the
Kohli
fact
community.
that the Kohli community, right? Not Virat. Like they called the Kohli community. The entire Kohli community is dependent on what like just fishing and better fishing practices and stuff like that. And actually, if you just sort of look at it during the pandemic and this whole like coastal development and like industrial fishing and all of that jazz has genuinely started to affect it. Like I was reading a statistic, and you will not believe this, but Japan's like a considerable portion of Japan's tuna, which is basically sashimi, comes from the Bay of Bengal between Chennai and the Andaman and Nicobar. So there are fishing trawlers that, because we have absolutely no ability to preserve things, there are fishing trawlers that sell to thing. And I read this somewhere. Can you imagine Japanese sushi, which were all like and the otoro and all that, which gets flown into Taj Mahal Palace every day from Japan, that you're eating? It's fucking from the Bay of Bengal, dude. And we. So I'm saying,
No, but you know, Baba, taking your point forward from this, the over, not just like the over industrialization of coastal areas, or trying to have infrastructure that affects the coast, but it's going to be helpful for, because every infrastructure development usually happens for two four-wheelers, right? कि नहीं अपने को एक और bridge बनाते हैं जो पानी से जाएगा क्योंकि traffic ease हो जाएगा, which is never a good solution, because an extra bridge doesn't mean less traffic, it means more cars, right? But we still keep doing it. And one of my mom buys fish from this fisherwoman, okay? So we're very tight, like we've been buying fish for her for years. She told me firsthand about this exact same problem, and her families or her cousins who are said as part of the Worli Kohli community who are there, this coastal road is affecting them. It's affecting people here. Versova, Yari Road क्या बोला? Versova में. So it's a very serious problem that it's easy to forget and ignore because it's not affecting you directly जब तक तेरे को तेरे हाथ में pomfret मिल रहा है.
Which also means that guys try to buy from local vendors as much as you can. And by this I mean, if you can wake up, by the way, if you actually take the trouble to pick out your own fish, it tastes a lot better. I'm just telling you, it really, trust me. बहुत सारा tips है जो मैं अपने Instagram पे बताएगा बाद में.
We should also talk about flamingos, right? Because they've now, like, they've sort of become endangered, or whatever the leftover species of flamingo are coming need to be protected in Mumbai, especially because I think they've become somewhat a symbol of the city, although it will still strike you as a wow, really, we have flamingos here, but we do. And I think it's important at this point of time to be able to conserve whatever remaining species of flamingos that we have in the city, and any other marine and biodiversity.
Maybe less pan stains and more flamingos. Maybe that should be just
and if you think about it, flamingos are the same color as pan stains, really diluted. If you really think about it. So
also I just want to point
good
out
pitch,
that,
guys, good pitch.
हमारा climate एक कान पे खड़ा है, just like flamingos, guys.
No, also Varun wants to protect every bird except for pigeons. Because pigeons are fucking chutiya. Go to fucking hell.
Flamingos तक ठीक है.
But I'm sure pigeons का poop कोई other animal eats, which is actually helping you get something that you really need. So pigeon poop is probably very important for your life.
But you know,
Which is
on
उसकी वजह से
the
तेरे गाड़ी को धोने वाले को काम मिलता है.
No, but
So
but
that
but
is
Varun, to
something.
tie this back to climate change and everything, if there were more trees, then they wouldn't be sitting on your balcony. Therefore,
Yes.
we
Yeah.
should save trees
Exactly.
So
and
for the
save Varun's
sake of
balcony.
pigeons
Yeah.
pooping in my balcony, please plant trees. But I think, you know,
and
like
car,
just to round it
and
off,
car.
nothing that we've said today is new information. Nothing
Or
is something
groundbreaking or
that we
anything.
have discovered or found out.
Correct.
It's all there. It's all been there for many, many years. And I think we should all sort of at some point in time take cognizance of it and try in our own very little way. Right? We are not some saints here who have gone vegan, AC नहीं चलाते और गाड़ी नहीं हमारी जगह walk करके जाते. हम वैसे नहीं है. So we
But
don't
the
expect
thing
the
is,
world to be that.
that's a
But I
very,
think
very
small things
percentage.
that
Yeah.
we can do on our own that will eventually have long standing benefits for the planet and for your own future generation, you know. So I think it's time to stop like अरे मेरे लाइफ पे नहीं हो जाएगा, मैं तो मर जाऊंगा, उसके बाद
Just
फ्लड आने दे
start by,
चलेगा.
you know
But
what
it
you
is a
should
fact.
do?
तेरे lifetime
by-
तक ही रहेगा, and right after that, it's going to get
Exactly.
screwed. So you've
I'll
got
tell
children
you-
that you're going to have. They're
I'll
gonna
tell
need
you
this
just
shit
one
all
thing one thing that you can do just to sort of make yourself self-aware is try to separate your recyclable trash from your non-recyclable trash. Just start with that.
Yeah,
Because when you start with that, you will start to realize the amount of trash that you have that is not recyclable.
dude, crazy.
And it is,
Yeah, for sure.
it is genuine. And I'm not talking about waste food, and I'm not talking about just like, you know, the e-com ka dabba, but the plastic that sort of comes through, or the cans which are recyclable. I understand, but I'm saying you just need to take a look, just take a cognizance of how much trash you're sort of doing, and you'll slowly start to realize, and in your head just say, इस बार मैंने मेरा जो ड्राई ट्रैश है जो रिसाइकलेबल नहीं है वो मैंने हर दिन दे रहा हूँ. लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक इट ओवर 2 days, then over 3 days. You'll just automatically start to realize that you can make a smaller difference. That's
I don't know if
and
people are following
if
this
none of
nowadays.
these reasons really touch the strings of your heart, then you should watch the Pale Blue Dot speech by Carl Sagan. सिर्फ वो सुनो जो उसने बोला है, and then try and think that we are nothing but a pale blue dot in the sky. अपन किधर नहीं जा रहे, वो ही अपना घर है, तो घर को संभालो, घर को बचाओ, एनवायरनमेंट का ख्याल रखो, अपना गार्बेज सेपरेट करो, क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन यूज मत करो, जिधर चल सकते हो उधर गाड़ी मत चलाओ, चल के जाओ, and yeah, try becoming vegan.
And if you are going anywhere, wear a mask. If you are going anywhere, wear a mask,
actually,
please.
you know, I honestly like what David Attenborough actually put it out at the end of that documentary, where he was like, I think one of the countries stopped and restricted fishing in certain areas. They actually restricted certain waters from being fished. And because of that, there was a cluster of fish that formed, and the biodiversity increased to such a degree in that cluster that they started spilling over to the areas where fishing was allowed. And that actually helped the fishermen in the long run.
So, I mean, तू सोच ना, अगर अफ्रीका के डेजर्ट के सैंड से जाके अमेज़न बन रहा है, तो क्या मिरेकल्स हो सकते हैं अपने इस अर्थ पे. So it's insane. So yeah, read up more, watch the David Attenborough documentary, and just do your best, do your little bit for Mother Earth.
One of the things that you can do is sign a petition that is there in the description. We will also be putting this this link up in our Insta handles and our Twitter bios and whatever else. Please go sign it. It is in association with Biodiversity by the Bay. This is Dead Ant. So it is a ongoing digital festival that Dead Ant is doing along with Ministry of Mumbai's Magic. It sort of celebrates the biodiversity of the city through comedy, music, and design. And this was a special episode in association with that, for that. So please go and sign this petition and just let our voice be heard. Let our voice be heard, please, because genuinely speaking, we have rich ecosystems. We have a unique biodiversity, but it is in incredible danger and under serious threat from these unsustainable practices and, rapidly growing emissions that we have, and we cannot survive without nature. So please just sign the petition and share it with everyone. Use the hashtag biodiversity by the bay and sort of help us out and spread the message as well. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you so much, guys. That was it from this episode of The Internet Said So. We were discussing the environment and climate change. If you have any other interesting things about the environment and climate change that we may have missed out, Let us know in the comments below. And also, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our videos. We do this podcast every week. It's called The Internet Said So. And I'm saying that again because हमारे views कम हो गया suddenly. So
Also, guys,
please.
even if you're not new to the channel and you come here because you swiped up on Instagram or something, or someone shared with you the link, just subscribe and go na. And also
Yeah.
like. Please, yaar, thoda to
And
karo.
invest in Siberia because it's going to become very warm and nice.
Yes.
I'm really thinking
South
of
Pole
it.
में एक झाड़ होने वाले हैं, एक
Kautuk, Kautuk and Adar have already done a recce in Russia. And they've come
Yeah.
back. So
हम लोग देख के आए हैं. We saw some really
अच्छा है.
nice land with igloos on it. Yeah.
Vodka must.
That was-
सही है. See you guys
सही है.
next week. Salamesh.
Bye-bye. आदर को बुरा लग गया देख वो फ्लेमिंगो
क्या कर
बनने
रहा
का
है?
एक्टिंग कर रहा है अभी पता नहीं आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही इज डूइंग आदर व्हाट आर यू अप टू
You have a flamingo?
I have a flamingo.
क्या?
But,
What was that? What are you trying to do? ये देख, ये दूसरा तेरा ये वो बोल नहीं सकता बेचारा, ठीक है? तू वो बेर को अपने गोद में लिया है, उसको तू अपने नेचुरल हैबिटेट से निकाल के, जो कैनेडियन रॉकीज है वहां से तू निकाल के यारी रोड में लेके आया उसको.
नहीं, उसका natural habitat is Tibet.
Yeah, his natural habitat is actually Tibet.
Because I'm calling him a bear, bro.
Oh.
Clearly.
Oh.
Either way, that's to say that Yari Road is not his.
Yari Road is not the right place.